Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Travel with Rick and Angie. And today we are in Long Beach today, staying at the Hyatt Centric The Pike, Long Beach. Beautiful hotel, kind of like a boutique hotel in the downtown area. A lot of shops and stuff close by. But we're just here for one night. We're spending a night to catch a cruise. But this is a Category 4 hotel. So it helps out quite a bit to use your Category 1 through 4 certificates if you have the Hyatt credit card. That's what I used to pay for this. I think the going rate was about 300 bucks. But anyway, I used the certificate completely free. Got my breakfast included. So Angie and I had that for a nice meal for this morning and before we head out the door. But anyway, here's a quick tour of the Hyatt Centric, the Pike in Long Beach. As you walk through the front doors, you see there to the right, it was some pumpkins that were left over. We were there on Halloween. There's a couple of chairs, and right there is the front desk. This Watercraft, that is the on-site restaurant, kind of a restaurant. It's not a full-service restaurant, but that's where we had breakfast at anyway. And here's another seating area. And there's your two elevators there. Another small seating area to the right there. This opens up into a beautiful courtyard. A couple of chairs with some umbrellas right there. Some beautiful lighting for nighttime. Another sitting area. There's also a table / fireplace. And for those chess lovers, I got a full chess set there if you want to play. This is kind of a unique game here. It's a washer. You got to swing it and get it on the hook. I wish we were able to see it here at night, but like I said, we were here for one night and we didn't get a chance to go out here during the nighttime. But I bet it looked nice. Down this hallway to the left is the business center, a couple of computers for you to use. And here's the fitness center. It's small, quaint, just has a few pieces of equipment, but I guess enough to do the job. You got your towels, some cold towels and dry towels. A couple of treadmills, elliptical, some dumbbells, and a cycle, kettlebells, and some mats. Does have a huge mirror on the right side. so you can see yourself flexing all those muscles. As we walk through these doors here, I think this was a meeting room. It was locked, so we didn't get to go inside of it. Or a conference room that you can probably rent out. There's that other seating area I mentioned earlier. And this one here is also another meeting room. I did get to go into this one. It was pretty much empty. It was a little bit different the day before. So I don't know if they were getting ready to do something with it or taking one down. They had some chairs scattered around. Now we're going to walk through these elevators, and we're going to show you what the upstairs rooftop pool looks like. It's when the elevators open up on the rooftop, it opens to this view, so it's just like bam right there. But a decent sized pool. You gotta love the view whenever it's a rooftop pool. You had chairs along each side with umbrellas. You had some cabanas that you could rent. I don't know how much they were, but usually any cabana around a pool or a beach area, it's usually pretty expensive. Out of my price range anyway. I'll just get burnt. But you'd have some free area. That's a large couch with a fireplace. It's more loungers. The weather out here was absolutely beautiful during the last part of October. Very comfortable. There was no humidity. Something completely different than Texas. Had some tables and chairs over here. Another lounge area. Another fireplace. They had a bar. It wasn't operational, but there was one there. And you had some pool towels to get if you needed one. And they did have an outside shower that you can clean yourself before going back into the hotel. Come on in. All right, welcome guys. So I want to give you a tour of our room. We're here in Long Beach. But anyway, this room is called it's just a deluxe king room. And I'll just give you a quick tour of it. So as you come through the door to your left, you got a little small area to hang clothes, kind of like a little wardrobe area. You also have your in-room safe and a couple of drawers down here. It's kind of good to put a backpack or things too if you don't want to hang up your clothes. We're going to be here one night. We're not going to unload all of our clothes, so we're just getting ready for a cruise for tomorrow. But anyway, there's another full-size closet here. Got some extra bedding. We got a steam iron. Got the ironing board and the luggage rack. We got down there for some shoes and whatnot and some more suitcases. Got a little cubby here. You can kind of put some keys or phone or whatnot. And same thing here, you got a little end table next to the couch with the chase. But you got some artwork here on the wall. I do like this table. You can either use this table to bring up to the couch to either do some work, or if you want to eat, it's kind of a nice table. We got a floor lamp over here in the corner. We do have a good sized TV. And then over here we got the bedroom, or the bed. King size bed. Over here we've got would be an end table or desk. You've got I guess a multi outlets here with 4 USB A's. Don't have any C's over here. However, we do have this travel adapter that we take with us everywhere. And this adapter here has USB A, USB C, and extra 110 volts. So it's always good to have. It's like you got some more USB A's here and another 110. Got a small ottoman for a chair or whatnot. And we'll do a quick look at this outside here. Across the street from a Gold's Gym, and looks like a roller coaster. Looks like a little bit further back you can see a Ferris wheel down there too. But we're real close to the, pretty much right across the bay, where we're going to catch our cruise tomorrow. And over here, this is a pretty cool picture. I like that. Like it. But anyway, we got your coffee maker, a Keurig with the pods. You do have some more outlets here with some USB. Down here we've got the small fridge. And we got the ice bucket. Another shelf down there.
Looks like they have a really nice nautical / industrial theme.
Yeah, I like the lamp. It's kind of nautical. Of course, yeah. This wallpaper, it's like a shipyard where they're loading boats with containers.
Yeah, beautiful scenery.
On this side of the bed, we have an alarm clock radio,
a charger
for your phone, and a lamp. You've got a couple of drawers next to the bed. Mm-hmm. We'll go into the bathroom. So here we've got a large lighted mirror, kind of nice. We do have just one sink, but a good sized countertop here. Looks like they are using the Be Kind products. We got some body lotion, some soap. That's kind of neat. It's got a little swivel for the sink. We got your toilet here. Down below is a magnifying mirror, and as you pointed this out, it has a dry bar blow dryer. I guess which is
love the dry bar blow dryer.
Well, for me, the blow dryer doesn't matter.
And don't forget this beautiful thing.
We got one robe here, and then we also have a shower, big size shower. It's got a rainfall head, and you also have the wand. And like I said, it has the Be Kind products. You got the shampoo, conditioner, and the shower gel.
Big enough for 2 people in this shower. Don't forget the handles over here.
All right. Like I said, this is going to be our home for the next one day. But anyway, this is it. So the Deluxe King room here at the Hyatt region, or the Hyatt Centric The Pike, Long Beach. This is the Watercraft, their on-site restaurant. Like I said earlier, it's not a full-service restaurant, but there's enough that they can make to get you full at least. Plenty of chairs. Wasn't busy that day. Had a small bar. Some snacks. Cooler full of drinks. Some chips. That's where they had some salads and some wraps, croissants, donuts. They also make pizzas. You'll see here in just a second on our breakfast that we had.
Evening. We're just downstairs to have an early breakfast. We have a few errands to run before we get on the ship. Okay, so we are having a quick breakfast here. I just got 2 eggs over easy, potatoes, and some bacon, and some sourdough toast. So I don't really need to test it. I'm sure you guys know what eggs, bacon, and potatoes taste like. However, the potatoes are pretty good. What'd you get, baby?
And I got a chorizo burrito with some potatoes. Potatoes are very spicy, and some sauce there, and a Gatorade to drink.
And that's all complimentary with our Hyatt Globalist status. So that's always nice. That's one meal we don't have to pay for today.
Let me try this out.
That's good. Mm-hmm.
Definitely spicy. The chorizo, the peppers all have a good, southwestern flair. Spicy. Sauce is very spicy. It's good. And I guess got a spinach tortilla, or I'm not sure what kind of tortilla it is, but tastes like a regular tortilla. So yeah, I like it.
Good
Very
deal.
hot though.